Welcome to this exciting journey through space, where today, we're diving into the wonders of Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Jupiter isn't just big, it's colossal. From its massive size to its powerful storms and moons, there's so much to discover. Did you know it has a storm that's been raging for centuries, or that one of its moons could harbor an ocean beneath its icy crust? I will tell you 15 unknown facts about Jupiter. So watch the video till the end and comment the fact you did not know about the biggest planet. Let's start. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of 139,820 kilometers, about 11 times the diameter of Earth. Jupiter is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, similar to a star, but it doesn't have enough mass to ignite nuclear fusion. This massive storm has been raging for at least 350 years and is bigger than Earth. Jupiter has the fastest rotation of any planet in the solar system, spinning once every 9 hours and 55 minutes. Jupiter has at least 79 moons, with the four largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, known as the Galilean moons, discovered by Galileo in 1610. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Jupiter has an extremely powerful magnetic field, 14 times stronger than Earth's. Scientists believe that Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has a subsurface ocean that could potentially harbor life. Jupiter has no solid ground. If you tried to land, you would sink into its thick, swirling atmosphere. Jupiter emits more heat than it receives from the Sun, due to leftover energy from its formation. The strongest auroras in the solar system occur on Jupiter, much brighter and more intense than those on Earth. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of active volcanoes. Though not as famous as Saturn's, Jupiter does have a faint ring system, mainly made of dust. Jupiter is so massive that its center of mass with the Sun lies just outside the Sun's surface. Some scientists consider Jupiter a failed star because of its composition, though it lacks the mass to initiate nuclear fusion.